Good day, everyone. So today we will have your second lesson in our block 14. So we have here a word problem. Jake has a machine that gives you double of what you ask. If you ask for 5, it will give you 10. So what will he get if he asks for 7 and 3? That's right. By using the machine of Jake, you will get the double of 7 and 3 immediately. By how? Very good. By doubling the number of 7, you will get the answer as the machine will give you. So, if the machine will give you or you will ask for the double of 7, then he will answer 14. By adding the 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. How about 3? Very good. We will double also 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So it means that whenever you are doubling the number, you got a bigger number. So today, we will find the multiplication table of 6. So in the past day of our Mathematics 4 online class, we have learned what is the multiplication table of 6 or 3. But today, we will use the answer of our multiplication table and double its answer to complete the multiplication table of 6 in our activity. So we have here the multiplication table of 3. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 8 is equal to 24. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 10 equals 30. So these answers of our multiplication table of 3, we will double them and able for us to get the answer of our multiplication table of 6. So let's start with the first multiplication table of 6. 6 times 1. Okay, look at the multiplication table of 3. 3 times 1 equals 3. So the answer there is 3. So we need to double the number to get the answer of the following. 3 plus 3. Very good. That is 6. So it means that 6 times 1 equals 6. How about the next? 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to? Right, it's 12. Next, 6 times 3. Very good. 9 plus 9 equals 18. So when we are doubling the number, we are getting the number of our or the answer of our multiplication table of 6. Now I want you to pause the video and finish answering or completing the following multiplication table of 6. So pause the video and able for you to finish answering them. Time is up. So let's check your answer. Let's have, we will double 6 times 4, 12. 12 plus 12 equals 24. 6 times 5, 15 plus 15, 30. 6 times 6, 18 plus 18, 36. 6 times 7, 21 plus 21, 42. 6 times 8, 24 plus 24, 48. 6 times 9, 27 plus 27, 54. 6 times 10, 30 plus 30 is equal to 60. So how did you get the answer of multiplication table of 6? That's right, by doubling the answer of our multiplication table of 3. So it will help us to get the correct answer. So always remember the 6 times table or the multiplication table of 6. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 4 is equal to 24. 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 times 6 is equal to 36. 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 8 equals 48. 6 times 9 equals 54. 6 times 10 is equal to 60. Let's try the following. How can we draw 8 rows and 6 columns into arrays? So we all know that arrays composed of different square tiles. So we will create first a rectangular shape. We'll start at the rows. So we need to cut it into 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have now 8 rows. Then we need to cut the following 8 rows into 6 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, can you create the multiplication table using this array? Very good. You got the multiplication table of 8 times 6 equals 48. How did you got 48? That's right, by counting the total number of our square tiles in the given array. Now that you know how to get the multiplication table of 6, I want you to work on with your offline activity. Sit work number 2, multiplication table of 6 in page 34. So in number 1, you need to double the given number and write the answer in the circle. In number 2, you need to complete the multiplication table of 6 using the answers to draw a line to find the way out of the maze. So you will have the following on the right side, the maze of our multiplication table of 6. So you need to connect using lines, enable for you to come out in the correct way of our maze. Number 3, you need to fill in the missing number by doing a array to show each multiplication sentence of the following. And also do not forget to submit your work in our Google Classroom. So that would be all for today. God bless.